Oh, it's time to harvest our first potatoes. These are the variety Charlotte. So I'm just going to cut off the tops. So there are all the tops. These are planted on St. Patrick's Day, the 17th of March. So what I'm going to do is just tip it out and see what we have. So it is quite wet. But we will see. Okay. So we do have the seed potatoes, which are looking quite used, which is good. So I'm just going to have this bucket here. Another seed potato. And another one. A couple of littles attached to this, so I'll just pull them off. So because these are only first or second, they are baby potatoes, and that's what I expected them to be. So it looks like we definitely have more than enough for like 2 dinners there. So I am pretty happy with that. I'll weigh them up and I'll see how much it was. I think there was 4 seed potatoes in that, given the fact that it's only like a 20-litre bucket. You know, I wasn't expecting too much, but I'm happy with the way that is, and I'll let you know on the screen how much they weighed. So I have it set to pounds and ounces, so let's see. I've kind of washed them off to take the bulk of the dirt off it, but not too much. And a little bitty baby ones, I mean, not that they add. So that's it there. So it's 1 pound 12 ounces, which I think is pretty good, which equates to, let's see, 801 grams. So yeah, I am happy with 1 pound 12 ounces, 800 grams of potatoes.